So trying to find or fit in Scribtine in that will be tough. Alright, here we go. It's a 3-stack, 2-stack. We don't care none, because we know what we're playing. No hesitation. See if we see the career profile for Dumpster? Sure. Let's see. Season 1. Actually, the rating doesn't match my final rank. I wish I could see like your actual rank. I'm pretty sure this account was ranked 10, I think, at one point during the season. This is my actual current season. I've almost played as much as I did last season on this account. To make him mad. Give him the stare down. He knows who's the boss here. Yeah, that's right. Seagull, please remove the new icons. Oh, you mean the hero gallery? Good luck. I'm never doing that. It takes too long. I wish there was like a mark all is not new.
Give it your all.
What's up, Taimu?
Hey guys.
5,
Hello.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
It's a nice default spray. What can I say? I like being edgy and cool. I think I should back up. Am I contesting here? Good players.
Ryan's almost dead. He's almost dead.
Okay, well now their Anna's dead. Let's see. Let's self heal so we get our ult. All we gotta do is hit one shot. Who the heck is behind me? What the heck? Why is there Lucio flanking me? Didn't that just not register on him? Give me that. GG. We tried stream. If only our diabetes push forward. Maybe I should communicate with the team. We gotta live up to our name though, we're dumpster tier.
Genji's below us. Genji's in a garage or whatever you call it. I don't know where he went now. Jesus. He's got a billboard.
Let's see, is this time to final ult? Use dash, buddy. This will be a good one. Oh no! Just kidding, I don't care. It's not looking good. Oh no, I missed my jump! No, I'm dead! Oh my god, dude.
That could have gone better.
Oh, here comes the second sword. Is he boosted too? No, I think I heard a boost on him too. It's not good.
60 seconds remaining.
We can actually contest from here and make him mad. What? I just died through ice block! Cool.
Back up. Back up. No, back up.
No one wanted to contest one more time? Come on. have some faith in the dumpster.
Has reached the checkpoint.
I mean, I wouldn't.
Indy's almost dead. Oh, it's almost dead.
Got my shield, it's going down.
It's like, I do the cool jump to get up there, it's like, well, wait up. I don't actually do anything up here. Maybe just go back down. How did Anna just die? Get him! Roll! He'd be mad. I mean, I'd be mad. So he'd be mad.
Fuck, get the Ana, get the Ana. Come back.
Get the uncard. Reinhardt uncard.
Let's get some self-healing going.
Heal me, please.
Don't hit me across the map, bro. Wow, that's a headshot. I think it was a headshot. I wasn't paying attention to my health after I backed up. I keep forgetting that, like, we don't have a Lucio, so there's no passive healing. He wasn't even aiming for me. That's cool. Well, I think that checkpoint might be a goner now. Let's see if we can beat Reno anybody. Walk on in, you know you wanna? Hey, Genji. Cool.
Get a point, get a point.
We should back up. Let's take the fight on the inside.
I have Graviton.
See, we have 420 healing done. Feels good, man. Holy shit, I do. Someone's frozen. Damn it, no one went in.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Give him the fist.
My ultimate is charging.
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up.
My ultimate is charging.
Oops.
60 seconds remaining.
Fire at will.
Gonna leave him alone for a minute here. Get up top.
He's almost dead. Stop, walk almost dead. Go back to respawn.
Double.
I heard your call to kill the Genji across the map, man. I got you. Now, who's over here? It's him. Hit him in the back. Almost hit, I was like midway between saying butt and back, and it just came out the bat.
Fall back regroup.
Guess we could fall back in the regroup. It's a moving wall. It just lets him move in. Did this Anna stop shooting me? Oh, it's not looking a good team. Actually, it is actually.
I'm dead. He's low in the back. He'd be so low, top left.
I can't hit him.
Stay alive, Reinhardt. Back.
No, he put me asleep. We should still be okay.
Long cart, Ana's dead.
Put her in a cart. We'll hit the whole team. We ask him on cart, else they lose, so. That's why May's getting overtime.
Complete. Score 0-2.
Seagull damage at May's right click, 150.
Prepare to attack.
Seagull, should they nerf May's stalling ability? I don't know. I think it's kind of like her niche, isn't it?
Our world is worth fighting for.
Yeah, I wouldn't drink the coffee. Always tasted like boiled dirt.
We shall prove ourselves.
They're asking. Uh-oh.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
It's good to get out of the lab.
I haven't seen Tawad in a while.
Victory. Make defeat an impossibility in your mind.
Five, four,
You've been spotted, stream.
1. Attack commencing. Escort the payload.
She laughs her little demon laugh. Honestly, spamming the laugh makes me think she's like hyperventilating.
That's so
Freeze one hit.
Who's playing Soldier? It's actually not bad, but it's not as good as McCree either. Should definitely blow this guy up. I still feel like it's a ult charge.
dead. There's no dead left.
See, he can actually contest from there, which is why it's annoying. I can even push him left. We have to actually focus the shield and kill him, or else we can't move the payload. Like, he actually has to move, or else we can't push. That's why in competitive, like in tournaments and stuff, a lot of the time, like your own Reinhardt will swing his, like jump and swing his hammer up there, try and knock him off and stuff like that. He's getting chain healed. What do we do? Well, we tried. Let's get out of here. Oh no, we couldn't make it. GG.
Damn. Oh, rip.
It's high noon.
Goodbye, world.
I shall seize it.
Did he just use ult right? Is one of these 6, bro? Come on. Oh, 2 ults for his ult? Isn't McCree right on the corner? Who was there? Was it just Soldier? Oh no, there's McCree. We're good.
Hey, payload stopped.
Watch your back.
No! Wait, what hit me the time before then? Something booped me. Wasn't it his right
One
click?
hit on top, guessing.
So it wasn't the right click from him earlier, huh?
3-1 hit.
That's the reason why I ran in, was because I thought I got hit by something for over 100 damage and it bumped me upwards. So I thought it was a Soldier right click, but I guess it was a Zarya right click, like full charge maybe? So I think it could be.
The payload has
I feel so slow.
I'm so bad.
That's why I ran in a straight line though.
Oh man, you good.
Usually play like I get carried all day.
Hey Zarya, come over here to the left and stack up with me if you want. It's right here, right in front of the bikes. Ready? Oops, I missed.
I got you.
Thanks, man. Now the Reinhardt's on the flank.
Oh, ready.
I'm all hiding. Coder dead. Coder separated.
Go wall him in. Heal
I don't know
up.
what to do with the animal. There's a rider behind the cart. He's on the left side of red.
They're all top left.
Yeah, man. He's down towards you, Seagull.
I'll never expect this flank. Okay, that guy expected it. He's ready for anything.
He's under. Yeah, he's right below you.
Coming up.
Who's dead? One's Arya.
This Ryan? Oh my god.
Oh, push cart, boys.
My ultimate is the payload.
Let's get past this.
Oh, I missed my third shot. Oh, I don't have a wall up. Nah, we're good.
升起来吧。好了。
They're gonna push us? They can flank with something.
Soldier and sorry, it's up right.
We don't even have to push all the way to the end. This is pretty much it right here. I was so scared that like there's something else is over there. It's instantly involved.
Still up, still up. Still. No.
If we work this angle and we get mail, they have to go to cart. Remember that. They have to go to or else they lose. Oh no! Just freeze him, just freeze him, just freeze him! Oh, dude, please.
Огонь по готовности.
I got bubbles, boys.
Fall back.
Are they still winning that? The Reiner's still alive. This guy just killed like everyone. Oh wait, no, he just killed the 2 tanks. Yeah, now we're close. That makes more sense. Let's get up top. Let's see what we got.
60 seconds
I don't like having Discord on this long range. He's still holding, he's holding. Careful. Holy shit. That Mercy had no fear, dude.
Sorry, bottom left by yourself right now.
Going for it.
Helping you. Damn, oh, sorry, dead. Soldier almost dead up top. Tree's almost dead. Tree's really low.
Ryan, save no Ryan.
Mercy dead. Soldier almost dead.
We got this. We got this stream.
Good job, boy.
Final score 3-2.
I don't know how many points I got now. See what he missed Mercy? I know, I don't know where he was. I think he was heading top right. I cleared out left though. He was not there. Was he left? He was left? I don't even know. Did I walk right by her? Left, you saw her. Aw. Self-commend, you'll never know it was me.
Everyone.
Shiny.
Increasing the ranks, bros. We're going to 4.2 tonight. Only another like 50. So trying to find or fit in Scriptine in that will be tough.
6.
Alright, here we go. It's a 3-stack, 2-stack. We don't care none, because we know what we're playing. No hesitation. See if we see the career profile for Dumpster? Sure. Let's see. Season 1. Actually, the rating doesn't match my final rank. I wish I could see like your actual rank. I'm pretty sure this account was ranked 10, I think, at one point during the season. This is my actual current season. I've almost played as much as I did last season on this account. To make him mad. Give him the stare down. He knows who's boss here. Yeah, that's right.
This was
No, I think I heard a boost on him too. It's not good.
60 seconds remaining.
We can actually contest from here and make him mad. What? I just died through ice block! Cool.
Ross, back up. Back up. No, back up.
No one wanted to contest one more time? Come on. Have some faith in the dumpster.
Has reached the checkpoint.
I mean, I wouldn't.
He's almost dead. Oh, he's almost dead.
Got my shield. It's going down.
It's like, I do the cool jump to get up there. It's like, well, wait up. I don't actually do anything up here. Maybe just go back down. How did her Anna just die? Get him! Roll! He'd be mad. I mean, I'd be mad. So he'd be bad.
Fuck, get the Ana, come back.
Word.
Let's see, is this time to spend my ult? Use dash, buddy. This will be a good one. Oh no! Just kidding, I don't care. It's not looking good. Oh no, I missed my jump! Now I'm dead! Oh my god, dude.
that could have gone better.
Oh, here comes the second sword. Is he boosted too?
He's almost dead.
Okay, well now their Anna's dead.
He's almost dead.
Let's see. Let's self heal so we get our ult. All we gotta do is hit one shot. Who the heck is behind me? What the heck? Why is there Lucio flanking me? Didn't that just not register on him? Give me that. GG.
I got that good for you.
We tried stream. If only our diabetes push forward. Maybe I should communicate with the team. We gotta live up to our name though, we're dumpster tier.
Ana's almost dead.
GG's below it.
Genji's in a garage or whatever you call it. I don't know where he went now. Jesus. He's got a build back up.
Seagull, please remove the new icons. Oh, you mean the hero gallery? Good luck. I'm never doing that. It takes too long. I wish there was like a mark all is not new.
Give it your all.
What's up, Taimu?
Hey guys.
5,
Hello.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
It's a nice default spray. What can I say? I like being edgy and cool. I think I should back up.
Shield.
Am I contesting from here?
Down.
Good blurs.
Ryan's almost dead.